Good morning.
Sit.
Wait.
Grassy ass.
Censored feet. Okay, socks.
What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and I'm here with Pooms, Riley, and her cousin Rihanna.
You said her name wrong. It's okay.
I did? How do you say it?
Rihanna.
Okay.
Rude.
Sorry. We're gonna try not to laugh with water in our mouths.
I'm gonna spit all over your laptop.
You spit that way because I can't afford.
Okay, and if you laugh, you get punished.
What's the punishment?
My water's You just have to go like do something stupid. Like just you get dared to do something.
Oh, okay.
Like, I feel like add a little twist to it.
Okay.
And we'll play like a couple rounds. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm gonna choke and I feel the water coming out of my nose already.
I know I already want to laugh.
Where's that for? What's that for?
That was my. I couldn't contain it.
Okay, water.
Oh my god. Stinky fishy. Shut up. I'm not gonna lose again. Okay.
Look at my finger. All sisters, and then
I know.
and I have my dad.
Oh, you're right.
That was so bad. Still coming out. Only laughed because she was like, hey y'all, what's up? So intermission while they go get our water.
We sent them.
Hey, if you guys like me, or if
Yeah.
you even don't, let me know if I should make a YouTube channel because I really want to, but I don't know. So let me know down below.
C.
We just filmed the video on her mom's channel. So if you want to see more of me,
Go on.
just kidding. Never.
Get down on your belly. Oh, what are you... What are you trying to do? Okay.
thinking about the little girl when she flies in the door.
Bruh! On the floor!
My
Go get
mouth-
another towel.
My mouth hurts so bad.
My mouth started
Are we finishing the video, or since you're the winner, like ultimate winner, like?
Ultimate winner,
Yeah.
like.
Okay.
Are we done?
Done?
No, I don't want to be done.
No, we
but
not
I'm
done.
asking. Rihanna's
No.
not even in it.
Yeah. She keeps getting out of it.
Aki!
I wanna
You
sit
keep
on-
going like this.
Oh.
Acting like you don't want to touch me. God, I need to shave my arms, y'all.
You shave your arms?
Yes, feel this.
Feel my.
You don't shave your arms. Yarms.
Meows. Meows.
Okay.
Okay, make sure you're in frame, please. Because I keep having to have to go like this. You good?
Okay.
Okay. Mmm. Mmm.
Spit on myself.
You threw it out.
It was the cat. God, this is...
We need more water over here.
Oh, yeah. We so far apart. We so far. You all the way over there. We all the way up here. I guess. What? You're gonna give me that much water? Here we go, dude, now. I'm good. With booger, I'm not gonna cut. I can feel it. It's okay. It's okay. All in that video I could think about when you're having sex and it slips in your ass. These lights are so hot.
I'm good.
These lights are hot.
Yeah, they are. You're glowing.
You're glowing.
Like we filmed this 3 years ago.
Kayla.
It goes like, oh my god, I should have stayed watching my movie. Y'all too crazy. I should give me more fun. Close.
I should have kept my move. Close. I should have kept my move. Close.
Oh.
That's
That makes you throw up if you drink
Yeah,
it down
I know.
like in an hour. I want to film a video of us doing that. I think it'd be funny.
That would be funny.
Me
Like
no.
all three of us, just like,
Oh God.
and you.
Yeah. No thanks.
That ain't my dad.
These ain't my kids.
It's all done.
I know. What should we do?
You don't know.
You don't know either. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I know. You wanna go out there and swim?
Yeah, we should go out there for a minute. Well, let's end the video really quick,
Okay.
so she could go pee and stuff. Okay. Okay. You can sit. You know, sit.
No thanks.
Oh,
She can go.
okay.
No thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Pack has a face.